What's up? It's Zach back here again today for Down South Racing, and I have great news for all you longtime complainers, although most of you are supporters of the channel, which I greatly appreciate. I have ordered a new camera, and I'm going to keep the camera a surprise for now to help with video and photography production for the channel and myself. You know, I obviously love taking pictures of my car just for me, but it's a well-known camera. I have a Rebel T6 right now just for total amateur photography, and it's okay for, you know, just taking pictures at like family events and stuff like that. I mean, it takes okay pictures of my car, you know, and it's good enough to, you know, you can throw a quick little edit on there, and the pictures turn out pretty well. With this camera right here is just 10 steps above. You know, it's a $high dollar camera, not a crazy expensive camera. I would say a mediumly expensive camera. So also, to help out with that camera, I'm going to order a Rode mic for the camera, and a camera carrying case that comes with 3 different tripods, one for vlogging, a small table one, and then a big one, you know, for more for like photography shots or like more cinematic shots if need be. And I'm super excited. So I know you all are, that you don't have to hear GoPro/iPhone audio quality most of the time, at least. You know, obviously for racing and stuff, that GoPro, I can't really strap a big DSLR camera to my car. I wish I could. It'd be nice to have that level of production, but kind of can't. So, you know, other than the racing and stuff, and you know, quick clips here and there, I'm excited. My pictures are just going to be so much better, so much more crisp, and I honestly can't wait. So I hope you all are excited. Comment down below and try to guess what it is. All right. She's sounding healthy today, boys and girls. Guys, I just really have to give a big shout out to Palm Beach Dyno and my buddy Will Zunda with Z's Automotive for putting my headers on, and Palm Beach Dyno for just getting this tune just right, just straight out of the gate. I mean, the car, it runs absolutely phenomenal, and honestly could not be happier with it. I mean, could technically, I guess, a little bit if it were ran 11s, but again, more so has to do with me and the choice of tire that I ran. Obviously, on a drag radial of any kind, car would have went 11s for sure. Also, I wish I could take my front seat out. I don't know, if you're new to the channel, my front seat has a bolt in it that for whatever reason was stripped when I got the car. I bought it very slightly used. It's about 4,000 miles on it, and so can't get that out. I'm gonna have to find a way to just drill that out, I guess. But other than that, guys, this car is kind of nearing its end of, I guess, the NA build, and just basically cosmetic mods. I'm considering getting new wheels. If I do not get a new car within the next, I'm going to give it 3 months. I'm going to say until March. I'm considering putting new wheels, and the wheels that I want to go with are very similar, being as they're same company, SVE, but I want to go with their new SP2 wheels, which are the Performance Pack Level 2 2018 Mustang replicas, and I just think they look awesome. Same weight, you know, same style as this right here. Color, it's kind of up for grabs. Obviously black, you know, kind of goes with the car, but they have a gold that kind of piques my interest, more so just to be different, other than, you know, obviously looking good. But, you know, I want to know your all's thoughts. Again, saving up money currently to either wrap these black, gloss black to match the roof and the spoiler, or get the Roush ones, and I'm more than likely going to go with black pre-painted ones. I think it's RPI Designs, not 100% sure, don't quote me on that, but they sell those, you know, just out of the factory. And then after that, really, I'm gonna do blue brake calipers. I know, I've been saying that for forever, but I am actually gonna do that. It's gonna be kind of a Christmas present. And I got something else cool to talk about. Just let's flip the camera around. All right, guys, so as you know, it's me, Jared, and Wade on the channel. For the most part, I do most of the videos, but they are totally 100% a part of the channel. Jared's got a video coming out tomorrow, I guess at the latest, about updating you all on his 2018. He has nothing but good things to say about that car. He just got lucky 100%, you know, with it. He's had no tick issue whatsoever. And anyways, Wade is recovering from shoulder surgery. Went up and seen him in Louisville. That's about 2.5 hours away from where we live, yesterday, and he seemed to be doing good, you know, finally get up out of the house. It's been a few days since then, and he's got a few months, you know, get back to full strength, but he should be able to, you know, kind of be able to do stuff. He'll be out of the sling, I think, January 25th, which is about, what, 4.5 weeks away, so not too bad. But we're gonna get each other some stuff for Christmas, so comment down below. I'm gonna get Jared, I think, a Dow Dynamics LED reverse light. He needs that in his life. I'm tired of looking at that basic halogen one. Jared had talked about getting me the G2 caliper paint. I'm not 100% sure what to get weighed, so you know, comment down below what you guys think I should get in. I'm trying to make it car related, but it doesn't have to be. You know, something under about $50 is about what we have set the price range at, so you know, we don't spend too much crazy amount of money. Gonna each get the other two something, so it's, you know, spend $100 or under would be nice. And so, you know, comment down below, tell Wade what you think he should get me and Jared, if you think Jared's idea to get me the caliper paint is a good idea, and if you think me to get him the Diode Dynamics LED reverse light is good, unless you know something else that I can get him for his 18, or just him in general, you know, around the $50 mark. If it's $52, I'm not going to complain about it, but you know, somewhere around there or under preferably, so let me know. Something else I have noticed about my car recently, you can just barely see it doing it there. My turn signals do this weird thing sometimes. But as you can see, the lights are off now. Watch what happens when I go turn the lights on. Now look, there seems to be no issue whatsoever. Something about the lights being on, these turn signals work great, and obviously the Op7 Aero LED turn signals look amazing, but for whatever reason, this one already has been replaced by Op7 and has, you know, it's worked obviously now. The other one just totally went out. The turn signal would not come on. The running light stayed on, but the turn signal for whatever reason wouldn't work. So, but for some reason, without the lights on, the turn signals sometimes like skip. They, instead of like fluid, they're like, so I don't know. But anybody has any idea what could be causing that, please comment down below, because I'd love to know. All right guys, so that's about gonna wrap it up for this little vlog. I'm gonna throw here at the end what we done when we went up to Louisville to see Wade. We went to Lights Under Louisville is what it's called. It's in some cavern underground cave system that apparently goes all underneath Louisville and is used for Fort Knox military storage vehicles for miles and miles and miles under there. But for it took us about 25 minutes to go through. It's a light show, and so there's all different kinds of characters. Obviously you got Christmas, Easter characters, biblical characters, superheroes, basketball players, all different kinds of stuff. And we just kind of went through, and so I'm just going to throw that in here. This video, guys, was just really to just get an upload out to you all, just to show you that we weren't dead or anything, you know, hadn't quit, because I know it's been at least 4 days. I'm thinking 5 days since I uploaded a video, but been a little bit busy, you know, life's a little hectic around this time of year, and my life in general has been a little bit hectic here lately, so hoping that that turns around here lately, or, you know, in the future. But other than that, guys, channel update, if you are new, we have our new project car that we're not going to start on immediately. Like I said, you know, it is theoretically technically Wade's, and but you know, his dad is willing to let us use it, and so we're going to wait until he recovers from shoulder surgery, you know, at least a month. And so you look about middle of February before we probably start doing something with that realistically. I have my 2017 full bolt-on 5.0. Jared has his 2018 stock 10-speed auto 5.0, except for an X-Pipe that's about to get stuff done to it. Wade obviously has his Infinity, but he's wanting a new car anyways. So Wade and Jared are about to start new jobs, and hopefully, you know, I wish them the best, obviously. You know, they're going to start making their own money, and then they can, you know, more of their own money instead of part-time jobs, and so they can, you know, be out in the world and do cool stuff. And so obviously, you know, they're wanting to help more when they get more time with the channel, and you know, I greatly appreciate that. And other than that, guys, I mean, that's just kind of a little channel update, I guess, for y'all. But I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope you enjoy this little montage coming up of us going through the Christmas lights. It's in Louisville. Just look it up. If you're anywhere in like Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, even Tennessee area, I would say, you know, it's worth a drive up. It is one of the coolest things I've ever been to. And you know, obviously you got little kids, they're gonna die over it. You got a girlfriend, she's gonna love it. All the Christmas lights and stuff. They play fun music in there, and even though it was super cold, it was like 32 degrees outside, we rode through with our windows down. It's obviously, I guess, gets a little hot in there, and we had a great time. So we enjoyed it, you know, 20, 21-year-old guys, and Wade's girl was with him, and we had a good time. And so Wade's parents also, they drove in front of us, and it was a good time. But guys, once again, I hope you enjoy this video. We are so close to 4,000 subs, so please get us there by the end of this video. I hope we're there, but, or you know, when this video gets uploaded. But guys, once again, thank you for continued support, and I will catch you all next time. But until then, peace out, enjoy.